everyone, it's Miss Patty and I am here for STEAM. Today we are going to be snowflake salt painting. So what we need is a piece of cardstock or heavier paper, maybe watercolor paper. We need regular table salt. We need just regular white Elmer's glue and some food coloring. So what I've done is I've just drawn the image of a snowflake on my paper, just the outline of a snowflake. And now I am going to use the glue to outline the whole snowflake. Just go right along the lines of your snowflake with the glue. You can make your snowflake as complicated or as simple as you'd like. Remember that snowflakes always have 6 arms coming out of it. And every snowflake is different. So your snowflake pattern will be unique. Just finish up all the glue. Whoops. All those lines. And I don't know if you've noticed that I'm doing my work inside this tray. And that is to make cleanup a little bit easier. So you might want to do it on a tray if you have a plastic tray with sides, or in a box top, or maybe even on a paper plate if you want to do it smaller. So then I've just poured some salt into my cup, and I'm just going to spread the salt all over the glue. Make sure that all of the glue is covered by the salt. Go back over it just to make sure it's all covered. Going to tap it off with all the loose glue. So now it's already looking very sparkly. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but it's looking very sparkly. So we're just going to let that sit for a bit and let the glue dry some. And while the glue is drying, I have a fun story to share with you. This is called Sneezy the Snowman by Maureen Wright. Illustrated by Stephen Gilpin, and I'm reading it with permission from Two Lions Publishing. Sneezy the snowman shivered. Brrr, it's cold out here, that's for sure. I need a drink to warm me up. So he drank cocoa from a cup. He said with a smile, I like this a lot. And then right there, believe it or not, he melted from drinking something too hot. The children cried out, what should we do? A voice from the puddle said, make me brand new. Snowman's still talking to them. They rebuilt Sneezy as snowflakes flew. A cold winter wind swirled and blew, making a new snowman. The snowman sneezed a gigantic achoo. I'm sneezing and freezing and shivering too. A girl said, "Then let's share. I have something you can wear. Here's my hat to put on your head." "You look awesome," the children said. The snowman blinked his coal black eyes. The stocking cap was a nice surprise. That'll keep his head warm. But Sneezy the snowman shivered. "Brrr! It's cold out here, that's for sure. I'm freezing every minute. I'll find a hot tub and sit right in it." He found one and smiled. "I like this a lot." And then, right there, believe it or not, what's going to happen? He melted from sitting in water too hot. The children cried out, "What should we do?" A voice from the hot tub said, "Make me brand new." They rebuilt Sneezy as snowflakes flew. A cold winter wind swirled and blew. The snowman sneezed a gigantic achoo. "I'm sneezing and freezing and shivering too." A child said, "Then let's share. I have something you can wear. Here's my scarf that's red and blue. I think it would look great on you." The snowman blinked his coal black eyes. The colorful scarf was a nice surprise. That should keep him warm. It went very well with the long pink hat. The children said, "How about that?" But Sneezy the snowman shivered. "Brrr, it's cold out here, that's for sure. I need to feel some warmth on me. There's a campfire by that tree." He said with a smile, "I like this a lot." And then, right there, believe it or not, he melted from standing beside something hot. The children cried out, "What should we do?" A voice from the puddle said, "Make me brand new." So they rebuilt Sneezy as snowflakes flew. A cold winter wind swirled and blew. The snowman sneezed a gigantic achoo. "I'm sneezing and freezing and shivering too." Then a child said, "Let's share. I have something you can wear. Here's my coat, the perfect fit. I know that you'll look good in it." The snowman blinked his coal black eyes. The bright orange coat was a nice surprise. It went very well with the scarf and the hat. The children all said, "How about that?" That should keep him warm. But Sneezy said, "Phew, I'm way too hot. I'll take off all the clothes I've got." No, now he's too hot. The children yelled, "No, that's not the way. Listen to what we have to say. Buy something cold at the ice cream store. Have 2 scoops or 3 or 4. Sneezy ate ice cream 7 scoops high. "This is great," the snowman cried. "I'm not too cold and I'm not too hot, and I'm wearing clothes that I like a lot." Then after eating every bite, he said, "At last, I feel just right." That's good. Sneezy's finally comfortable. Okay, so let's check in on our snowflake. So the next step we're going to do is going to take just a little drop of food coloring. And let me see if I can get it right in the camera so I can show you. I'm just going to put a drop right on see what's happening. It's spreading all down the snowflake. And it's coloring it. Let's see if we can do another one on this side. It's going to all the arms of the snowflake. So if you, oh, one tip I forgot to tell you is that I mixed water with the food coloring. So you don't need pure food coloring. You can put a little, actually mostly water and just a little bit of food coloring. And that, here it goes. And the salt crystals help it to dissolve the color faster. So you can keep doing that all along. Your snowflake. There you go. And you can watch how the color spreads. And if you'd like your snowflake to be more blue, you can actually use any colors. Food coloring, it doesn't have to be blue, but I thought it would be pretty in nice blue and white snowflake. So if you would like more color in your snowflake, you can put more food coloring drops and help it to spread more. If you'd like to learn more about snow and snowflakes, we have some books at the library. Snow, and there's it snowing. And then there's a great book that I found in our craft section, which is Snowflakes for All Seasons. And it has all different patterns of snowflakes. So if you'd like to try drawing different patterns of snowflakes, because every snowflake is different. There's no two snowflakes that are the same. Okay, well I hope you had fun today with our steam craft, and I hope you make some beautiful snowflakes, and if you'd like to share them, you can share them to our Facebook page. We'd love to see them. Or you could send a picture to the library. We'll see you soon. Bye.